My name's Scott Schneider. I've been a partner at Orthopaedic Associates for about 11 years at this point. I feel orthopedics provides us a unique opportunity to take patients that have lost the ability to enjoy and participate in activities in their life and get them back on track. Restore their, or get rid of their pain, restore their abilities and functional capabilities to get back to life. I specialize primarily in joint replacement, so my days consisted of treating hip, knee, and shoulder arthritis for the most part. We're able to provide a wide breadth of orthopedics, and with that we are able to provide a great deal of subspecialization. So for example, the guy doing your total knee replacement or total hip replacement, that's primarily what they focus on. And with that I feel that we're able to provide a better result, better care, more specialized, and we're able to provide all phases of care under one roof, be it the non-operative care in the clinic, be it physical therapy, and be it the surgical treatment if necessary here at our surgery center. Currently, I would say that the patients said, what are the best things about this facility? One is they love just the decor of it. It's new to us as well, so it's been very attractive to move into a new facility. I think from more of a patient experience standpoint, it's just the ease of it. You can come here, get your therapy. Right after your clinic visit, you can schedule your MRI. The surgery center being right here on location, where that benefits us and benefits the patients as well, as we can do everything a lot more efficiently and timely.